So guys, we're gonna continue taking the engine apart. I already removed the clutch and the flex plate, as you can see. This one's bad from here. I don't know if it was from when I was getting it out or what it was, but anyways, these bolts right here, they're 13s. As you can see right here. See, I'm running out of light. I just put them in there so I wouldn't lose the bolts. Uh, this one right here is kind of bad. It has a little dent right there. I think that was from was priming it. That's I use 11/16 to get it out, to loose out the bolts with the 3/8 ratchet. For the oil pump right here, that's a 10. So it has 1 and 3 bolts right there, back there. Just 1, 2, 3. Now for the filter over here, the bracket, it has 1, 2, 3, and then you got this one right here. You can't even see it, but you have to remove this thing, otherwise it won't. So guys, I'm gonna use this one right here. I got this one at Walmart for like $6. It's a universal. I think it's like a half, and I forgot what it was. But anyways, it's a universal. Well, it works for different filter sizes. Oh shit. And now we can get this right here. It's kind of tight in there. I'm gonna right there. Now I'm gonna do the gun over here. Wait. This is the filter bracket, and it goes right there. And that's the sensor. That's the sensor, which I broke. Now we're gonna go here with this bolts right here. The oil pump. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna look for something. Damn. Right there. Now I'm gonna go get the other two right here. So, guys, I made a mistake. Let me see the other 11. Right there. Those guys are smaller. They're let me see if I have it. Hopefully it's an 8. It's 8? Yes. They're 8s. And that's it, guys. Alright, guys. So I had to go get my glove. So let me put this on the floor for just a little bit. I'll come and grab it later on. Now I'm gonna try to get this. So let's get this up. It's already loose. You know what, guys? I'm gonna go get my my gun. Hold on. Okay, guys, let's get these. So, guys, these is the 6 bolts. There's some of them that have like 8 bolts and stuff like that. Yep, they're all 30. Probably not 30, but like they put that. I think it's like anti-lock cream to lock the bolts in there. So guys, I got it out. So what I did, guys, well, this is what I mean. You see this right here, guys? This right here goes inside here, like this. Well, I can't really put it in there anymore. Well, I probably could. It goes like that, but it goes all the way back here. So what you want to do, guys, you want to give it small hits in the back, you know. But if you're gonna use this one, don't hit it with a metal hammer. You know, use like a rubber one. Or well, what I did, I hit it with my hand. So yeah, you can see. That's the thing. For this right here, guys, I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh no. For this right here, this bolt, from the research that I did, he said it's pretty much the same way as the sequence of the cylinder heads. So what I'm probably gonna start doing is I'm gonna take one from here and then go that side and then come back, go back and forward. But I'm gonna ask my neighbors first, and then I'm gonna go from there. So this is all for today, guys. I'll show you. I'll be back tomorrow. So I'm gonna get the pump out, the oil pump. As you guys can see, you guys saw me taking the tube or the oil line, the one that goes in here, and the big one with that sucks the oil, like the filter, something like that. Now my neighbor says he doesn't think there's a sequence to get them out, like the rods and stuff like that. But since I am gonna use some, reuse those, I had to make sure they're in the same line, like same number, same order. So there's these bolts, they're 7s, not 7s, hold on, they're 8s. They're 8s. For the, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4. What a weird thing, huh? Let's put them back in place so I don't forget. This is my heart. The hardest thing for me right here. It's gonna be removing this the piston rods, the bearings, and all that. Alright. So that looks way confusing than anything else. But we'll figure out, alright guys. We'll see. I'll see how much things I break. So I'm gonna start with removing these bolts right here. That belongs to here. It has, these ones are, what I'm using is, I'm using 13. It's a 13 with this ratchet. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm gonna be using 13 for all those besides this one. I think that's a different size. And then once you remove these bolts right here, guys, you got these ones right here on the side. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over there, and then there's another ones back there, 5. I'll be using hold on, 10s for those, and small wrench. To be honest, guys, this is my hardest part. So if I'm doing it wrong or something, hey, let me know, guys. I'm still the only way I already loosened this up. The only way I'm gonna learn is if people shows me that I'm doing something wrong, like breaking things apart and putting them and figuring them out how they go. Cause if I just let someone do the whole work, I'm never gonna learn, Yeah, this is gonna be a little bit hard for me. It's gonna take a little bit a while, cause I got those out. Now I got this one over here. If you guys have a breaker bar, it'll be helpful. Oh, if you guys liking this video, Hey, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. How I can improve myself. Yeah, right now I'm just working with what I have, guys. I don't really have much tools. That's why I haven't done the second part of doing the valve springs. 'Cause now I just need to figure that one out. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go find something. Alright guys, so I use a 11/16 long socket with the 3/8 ratchet. I got it loose. I just did it to show you guys. Look. So now we got all these little bolts right here. I say those were 10, right? Man, why do I keep getting my injuries? Hold on, guys. Trying to get my gun. Yeah, I don't have an engine holder either. So it's making it hard for me to get the piston rods out. This pretty decent. This one was. Oh yeah. Right there. Right here. Alright guys, I gotta figure out how to get this one out, and once I do, I'll put it back on. The reason is I'm gonna mute the cameras because I don't want to have like a long video just trying to figure this out. So I'm just gonna mute the camera. So guys, finally, 2 days later after I've been trying to figure out how to get this out. So there's not a specific order to get them out from what I have searched and from what people have told me. So to get this out right here, it'd be a lot better if you get all these rods out, the pistons. You have more leverage to get this out, because you kind of have to like force them out. They're stuck in there pretty good. So what I'm gonna be using right now It's a 11 and my small gun. I already had this one loose. And if you're gonna use the same what's it called? Same rods, pistons, keep them in order. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them in order, and then I'm gonna see later on. I'm gonna see if they're bad, and if they're bad, I probably won't use them. Well, not probably, definitely won't use them. Well, hold on. I need to get that one out first. Like I said, guys, it's kind of hard in here to work on it. Been doing my best. Oh my god, every time So this is 2. Gonna have to. Okay. Seems like I might have a problem getting that one out. They're pretty stuck in there. But I'll figure something out. Well, seems like that it won't twist. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. I need flashlight, so I'm gonna use my phone as a flashlight. So guys, this is where I'm stuck. There's this block right here. It's blocking the pistons. So without removing this, you can't get them out. So look at that one. It's kind of hard to see, but then I'm gonna try to remove this one right here. This little white black back wall. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 millimeter sockets. Socket that I'm gonna use. So let me see if I have it. All right, guys. All right. Let's keep going. Now from here, you have to wiggle it. It's stuck in here, so you kind of. Where's the pry bar? So guys, this thing right here, it's gonna give you a fight. I've been fighting it for a while already. You have to put some force in there and pry bar it. Even right now, still fighting. Throw that. Well, you came out a little bit more. Come on, sucker. Come on. You're almost there. Oh. It's making me sweat. It's a crowbar. Ugh, I lost it. And it goes back in there again. Ah, there it is. See all that, guys? Nasty. So that right there. Well, I got it back out. It looks I'm gonna be doing a lot of washing. Sorry for that long video, guys. Now, I took this bolt out. Woo. Whoa. No, this is kind of cool, guys. If you like this, subscribe, leave a comment, give me a share. It's about to be fun. Building it back up. Alright, guys, I'm gonna figure all this out. Once I get all this out, I'll put you back in the camera. This is our little workout, you know. This is no joke. Let me tell you. I was able to get this out. Let me see what I did. Oh yeah. I got all the bolts from here, from the first one. Now I'm gonna get these ones out. So guys, I discovered something. You can take this off. I forgot what I used, but this is a 13. But hold on, let me see if I have it right here. Oh. This one. Okay, I use 11/16 to get this one loose, and then there's a 13 in the bottom, long socket. So let's make sure we keep everything how it's supposed to. Now, this is gonna require some cajones right here. Still needs more. Oh my goodness. Right here. Right here. I don't want to make scratches and anything, because I don't know how important some of these things are. And I'm trying to reuse most of the things that I can. Like I said, if you remove the pistons and the rods, it's way easier. You don't have to struggle like me. Ah. Ooh. 2. Now, let's put them all in here. So, this is what I've been doing, guys, the whole time. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna try to lose the other rods, the bearings, and you know, that way if I get it all out at the same time, I won't be struggling now. Alright, I think that one's out. That one's not out. Ouch. Where's my leather? Okay. That one out. Oh no, it's not out. Keep it. Oh. Now. Actually, you know what? I don't want them too loose. Wait. I just want them a little bit loose, but not too loose. Yeah, I got an idea. Hopefully it works. Boy, I can't get that one in there. Can't see it. Looks like I need to go forward. Okay, I have some. Boy, I'm sweating. I need another extension. So I'll be right back, guys. So you guys see what I'm doing, right, guys? I'm gonna try to get all these crankshafts out at the same time. So right now I'm gonna lose the bearings. So these little things that goes with the holding the rods, and then I'm gonna try to get the whole crankshaft out. So I'm gonna go find something. Alright, guys. I just went to get a little extension, and then so I can stick it in there. Get the other bolt. There. Now I'm gonna use this one. God, man, I keep tracking things. Oh my God, I can't believe that. That's all what I want, guys. I just want to crack them loose. I know a lot of people right now, they're probably saying like, this dude is the idiot. He should be doing this, like this, like this. But not everyone has the money to buy all the necessary tools that you need to start. That's why so many people are afraid to like begin like a project or something, because some of these tools that you need, it's so expensive. So they don't know how to start. Well, guys, just buy a small set of tools. As you go needing more tools, you buy one by one. You don't need to buy them all at once, like me. Right now I need a engine stand. It's pretty like brand new, it's like $100. You can find like used tools like Marketing Place. You can go marketing place. Oh, I know. It's not letting me go in there. Oh my goodness. Oh, wait. I'm not sure. You can go marketing place to buy some cheap tools. Uh, Heavy lifting tools like engine crane. You can find some of them for like decent price. Uh, but yeah, guys, you don't get motivated just because you don't have the necessary things. You know, I don't. There's so many things I don't have right now. So I need right now. I need like dent pullers to put some dents. I need big grinder to cut some pieces off, like big thick metal. Because I got the Honda, I've been working on the Honda little by little, and then I got the big old Mustang. Mustang is like a big project. I had to cut, weld. Oh, that's another thing. I don't have a welder. So, yeah, guys. Let me show you. But enough with the talking, you know, guys. Look. So, guys, I'm gonna get all these right here. Loose. All those right there, bolts, you can't even see them. Let me see if I can put right there. I'm gonna get them loose, and then I'm gonna pry this up, just like the way I did it right here. And then I'm gonna do it all the way. I'm gonna try to get the crankshaft out with all the rods and everything. Trying to make these things easy as possible for me. So once I get it out, I'll probably bring it back and put you one more last time so I can finish this video, guys. So guys, finally, after 1 hour of struggling, that's how long it took me out of, I'm able to get this thing out. Here it is. Mission accomplished. I'm gonna rest it right there for a little bit. Wait a minute. Boy. Aye. Just sit in place. Ooh. So here it is, guys. Now I'm gonna probably. Oh yeah. No, I can't get them out through here, so I'm gonna have to push them down. Well, so let me show you guys. Ay. So this is all what I have right now. Or what I have to do. I just have to get those rods out. I got the crankshaft over here. I got my bearings over here. So I'm trying to keep them nice, organized. I got the walls in here. I don't know what the real name. I kind of made a little sketch how they go right here. So I got the wall plate, which I have it on the ground, and then I got piston, and then wall, which is this one right here, and then I put piston, and I got wall, which is this one right here, and then piston. So this is how I'm gonna have it. The only thing I have to do is get those out and I'll be done with it. Well, I had to clean it. So guys, I got a little small story to tell. As you can see, I got the Mustang in the back there. It's been costing me a lot to find parts, especially with me not being able to find a job, because some crackhead stole my information, my social security number, everything. They've been using it to get credit cards. It's making it hard for me. And besides, I got fired last year, right? not gonna deny that. The money that I've been making, I get like 1 or 2 people a week, which is not much. So I found someone, a place where I can get the whole front rails, struts, radiator support. But the shipping is gonna be $540. They're shipping it from Florida, and that's just for shipping it. Now, the whole frame rails and the support and the towers are gonna cost me $200. So that's $740. That's if they ship it to my address. Now, if I have them to ship it to a to a business shop, it's gonna be $290 to shipping it to a shop, plus the cost of the part, which is gonna be $200, so that's $490. But I don't know well, I have my neighbor, but I don't think I'll be able to do that because he works at Bell Tire. So guys, let me know what you guys think. If anyone can hook me up with some parts, I appreciate it a lot. Something that is not gonna cost me my leg, my arm. You know how it is, guys. I'm trying to work on a budget. I still need a welder, an engine holder, so when I'm building this engine, I can put in there. Little grinders, because I'm trying to do most of the work by myself, guys. I want to learn as much as possible. Besides machining the engine, that is gonna be super pricey. Machining the cylinders, like to see if there's anything bad with the cylinders. But I would like to thank you everyone who's been watching my videos. Guys, please support, subscribe, leave a comment, share it. Ask me any questions. Leave me any tips that you guys have. I appreciate all my viewers. Keep viewing, guys, and keep sharing, and give me all that support so I can keep motivated to keep moving. I know things are not easy, but I'm trying to push myself up, not just for me but for others. I want to motivate other people to pursue their dreams, their goals. Oh yeah, guys. Oh, I had other stray kitties in here right now, but let me know what are some ideas, guys, that I can do so I can feed these kitties. I got 13 cats, and some of them are babies, and then I just got 2 more stray cats. Well, I didn't get them, they just came here because I'm always feeding them, so there's just random cats showing up. So yeah, it's kind of hard. And that one fluffy, fatty one, she already had her babies. They're 3 black cats. They're cute. So guys, please support the channel. Thank you so much. Have a great night, day, good morning, wherever you are. Peace out.